So today I'll be showing you how to charge your iPhone Air, the different methods of charging this phone. Now, it's obvious by now that in the box, you don't get a charging brick, but you do get a Type-C to Type-C cable. So if you look in the box, there's a Type-C to Type-C cable right there. And that's the only thing that comes in the box. Now, you can use that Type-C to Type-C cable, and that cable looks exactly like this. So what you need to do is use that cable, plug one end into your phone and the other end into any power source. Now, the power source could be your laptop. If you have a Type-C port on your laptop, that's going to charge your phone. If you have a Type-C power brick like this one, which I recommend getting if you don't have one, this one is from Anker. It's a 65-watt charger, okay? And it's a very good charger. It's a smart charger, and it won't destroy your phone's battery, okay? I've been using this for years now, almost 3 years, and I charge with it every day. It's been brilliant, and it's a fast charger. So I'll link it down below in case you're interested. So you can pick one of these up to be charging your iPhone safely. But generally, your lithium-ion battery in your iPhone is safe. So you can plug this to any source. Now, if you don't have this cable, you can use any other cable. So for instance, if you have a Type-C to Type-A cable and you have a Type-A power brick, you can use that. You can use your Android charger. You can use your MacBook's charger. So all these are options you can use to charge your iPhone Air. Now, you might be wondering, does the iPhone Air have wireless charging? Can I charge it wirelessly? So if you have a wireless charging pad, then just place your iPhone Air on top of it. And as you can see, it's going to charge wirelessly because this iPhone Air does support wireless charging. Now, there are plenty of options. You can charge it in your car if you have somewhere to plug in one end of the Type-C cable or a Type-A cable, as long as the other end of that cable is Type-A. You can use a power bank. You can literally use anything, including your TV. So if you have a port on your TV, you can plug it in and the other end into your iPhone, and that's going to charge your iPhone. So there are so many ways to charge your iPhone. Thanks for watching, and good luck.